are going to the Australian base camp from Pokhara, and we had to take a bus to 0 kilometer and then to Kande. So now we are on the bus to Kande, but it's taking ages. What a good start! We were supposed to stop way before, according to the map, but the locals here, nobody was speaking properly English. They just dropped us here. Looks like we got it. Okay, so we are on the right path. Yay! Stopping every now and then, just to take a breath. Right, Dave?
Yeah, now it's come to the steep part.
Apparently, we have a group with a 2 in front of us. He's saying there are more steep steps to come. Can't even believe us doing something harder than this. It's tough already, first than 15 minutes. David just taking his sunglasses. Hello, Namaste. Hello. We are dying. I think my face is all red. A man said half an hour more. Yeah, how good. Here you can throw your rubbish along the trail. That's nice. It's heavy, with the slippers. Very tough. Very steep. We have a beautiful forest here. So green, perfect to relax. Look how beautiful. It's a tree full of them.
Looks like it was a wedding here. Why is just the tree? Beautiful.
Mantra flags and rhododendron tree. Oh, breathless. Namaste. Namaste. Hi, this doggy one? This sweetie one? I feel so weak compared to these people carrying these things up and down. Like, yeah, we have to make it. What do you think? David is saying don't stop. Oi, oi. Oi, oi. What's going on? Look how cutie. Huge horns. Kinda scary. One of them was super excited though. Maybe because we arrived. And we arrived. We had a quick cup of tea. Now our room is getting ready for 1,000 rupees, but we have amazing views. We are gonna show you with the Sony camera. And yeah, we're just going to this little viewpoint within the camp, and probably we're just gonna chill on the grass. Who is a sweetie? Who is a sweetie? Oh, baby one, baby. Baby. Little baby. Little baby, yes, yes. And now we are just here at this viewpoint. It's lovely, just us. Apparently they do campfires here.
We saw a couple of Danish people. I think they're gonna go further. Now we're gonna stay here for one night and to see this view as long as possible.
Yes, we're gonna wake up with these lovely mountains, the Annapurna.
And let me show you the road where we started. Just over there. It was like 2 hours, but we stopped many times taking some pictures, videos. It was a good hike. Found the bottle, we fill it up with water, and now we're gonna give this little one on the sun. Oh, yeah. Very thirsty. Ah, mission accomplished. Yeah, yeah.
So thirsty. This is the room we got. Somebody's resting. Very simple. This is very important. We got 3 of them. One is there as well. Okay, sleeping one. It's a bathroom. We're gonna have hot water for like £6 a night, something like that, and we have a very good view. But now the cheeky clouds are hiding the mountains. There you go. Also, why we have to have that swing there? It's so high and it's obstructing the view. David had a siesta and now he's closing the room.
We go for lunch. Late lunch.
Okay, we got some water, some instant noodles. Nice Nepalese tea.
We had some lunch and now we are having some snacky up in the roof. And soon we're gonna watch the sunset.
Survivor rule. Always take some peanut butter with you. It's always good. And some crackers. Why not?
Spreading the peanut butter and a nice veggie cracker. Yummy, yummy. It's gonna be nice.
Not sure about sunset. It's a tough one. We are waiting for the sunrise. That's the beginning. But this is the main character.
The sunrise is beautiful and we can see the big mountains, how they shine. Oh, amazing.
Here's David. Want to check the valley and the terraces, but I think it's very hazy. Let's see.
Let's see.
That is quite cool. You have a view of the terraces. Everyone is well awake. I'm waiting for David. He got some hot water so we could make some tea, and we're gonna make some porridge, plus still have one pastry from yesterday, a cinnamon roll. Oh, here they go. Here it
Hot
is.
water for you.
Thanks. It's so good. You know, my stomach is upset a little bit, but this cinnamon roll is so good. David had his one yesterday, so I have to eat it.
Tea time.
Tea time. I love when the glasses are like transparent, you know. And where did I want to go, David? With the teleport?
To the top of the mountain just for 2 seconds. Huh?
Yeah, I told David I would like, you know, to be there just on the top, just for 2 seconds, just to see how it is. And I asked here the host of the camp, can people go to the summit of Annapurna South? They said no, it's impossible. So yeah, like my little curiosity, you know. David getting a bit of water, going down. Important. See you, bye bye. Bye, have a good day. Bye. Oh yeah, he's sweetie. Yeah, kitty. Hello. Yeah, looking. Sweetie looking. Staring and chewing, huh? Bye, mountains.
Bye, friend.
Bye, mountains. Bye bye. And now going to Dhampus. It's said to be a very cute village. Crazy terraces once again. The stones are shiny, just like the ones we found in Nagarkot. They're shiny everywhere. Small blue flowers. And yeah, going slowly. A lot of butterflies. It's a nice sweet walk for now in the forest. No steps, very gentle. And you see, this is like a branch, and other plants are just working together. Sort of orchid, you know, like in tropical places when you have like these things growing on top of branches, helping each other, taking advantage of each other. Cool, I love this stuff. Really is a very sweet walk. And just to recap, on the way to the Australian base camp, we took the hike from Kande, which is longer and tougher. A lot of steps. Even under, you're not gonna have many trees around most of the times, but here there are not like steps. You just climb up a bit. You're always in the forest. So yeah, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Rhododendrons surround us with like carpets of red flowers on the ground. And
the bees.
the bees working hard. Which way?
I think it's this way. I see the road maybe there.
Oh, yo, trouble. Look at the eagle.
Oh,
Pretty. Sort of pond. Still alive. Shade, I love you. Resting a bit, drinking. I even maybe meditated for like a couple of seconds, listening to the sounds of the birds, the bees, just the leaves falling.
Sure. Very peaceful.
Hopefully we're gonna get some shade again, but for now we are resting here. Oh yeah, the ones. They were looking at us, but we're a bit scary, so we wanted just to go ahead, trying to avoid that they charge us or something. We don't need these problems, thanks.
We are getting closer, but looks like back to the steps. Not happy about it.
It's another pond, this time bigger. Lot of work. She's making some fabrics for all these clothes. Very nice. So apparently Dhampus is twinned with a town in Wales that's called Brecon. Interesting. So yeah, we reached Dhampus then. Yeah, David, we reached Dhampus.
I don't think.
Where's the bus?
Kilometer.
Oh dear. So cool. David is saying this is a shooting bunker. Not too sure. Say you can shoot from here and here. Oh wow. It's a lady carrying a lot of weight. Namaste. Gas is important. How can you cook otherwise? Like, cannot always do fire, you know? If you want to have a hot shower as well. This is a nice, cute cottage with the bricks and everything. So we reached the village and we thought we could get like a bus from there. At least the maps.me doesn't say that we reached the village yet, so we're going forward. But here in this small village, they were saying that there are no bus anymore. The last one was at 11 and now it's 11:30. And if we want to go to Pokhara, we have to pay 3,000 rupees for a jeep. Well,
They are scamming us.
I think they're ripping us off. Little scamming as well. Let's go. Let's see if we can find out. Maybe hitchhiking or something.